Today I'm going to show you some of the features of the all-new CoreBlox toolbox for CA's SSO product. The toolbox utilizes CA SSO's built-in APIs to help you simplify and easily manage complex SSO architectures with multiple tiers and multiple SSO deployments from a single user-friendly interface. The toolbox is a single web application running on your private infrastructure that contains a set of individual tools: the migration tool, the snapshot tool, the optimization tool, and the cloning tool. As I walk you through the migration tool, you will see how easy it is to move complex SSO objects from one environment to another while reducing the risk of human error. You will also see how these migrations can be shared and reused. Once we've seen the migration process, we will then take a look at the snapshot tool. A snapshot captures a complete picture of the objects in a policy store at a specific point in time. The snapshot tool allows you to create a snapshot and restore or roll back a policy store to its previously captured state. Following the snapshot tool, we'll go over the reports generated by the optimization tool. The optimization tool uses a customizable rule set to analyze a policy store and report back possible areas for improvement according to CA's recommended best practices, and once customized, your own organization's preferences. After the optimization tool, we'll take a look at the cloning tool, which is especially useful during an upgrade process. The cloning tool allows a user to move all of the objects from one policy store to another seamlessly with just a few clicks. We will also walk through some of the role-based access control features that the toolbox offers. The toolbox allows administrators strict control over which users have access to which toolbox assets, such as environments and saved migrations, and what those users are allowed to do with those assets. This approach enables organizations to give specific roles to specific teams or individuals in order to protect the integrity of their SSO architecture. The toolbox is easy to deploy. For SSO version 12.7 and above, all that is required is to unzip the install package to a server with network access to your SSO environment, and then launch the toolbox services. Toolbox comes automatically configured with a super user account, which allows an administrator to perform all necessary configurations for your specific architecture from the Toolbox user interface. For older versions of SSO, a Docker image is also provided, which contains a backwards compatible service for accessing CA's SSO APIs.